Hello, this is Jim from TechBoost. I'm going to give you a quick unboxing of the Urbanista Milan, which is part of their new range. We've done some of these before, and these have now got active noise cancellation built in, which is pretty cool. And as with Urbanista, their presentation is pretty cool indeed, as you can see. And on the back, it'll tell us about the features that are on the headset. So we've active noise cancellation, we've got our in-ear boards, flat cable, which will stop it from getting tangled, flexible neckband, and we have a standby time of 700 hours, and or it could be 70 hours actually. But we've also got a hands-free mic control and voice assistant Siri built in, and we have Bluetooth 4.1. Playtime is 15 hours. Standby time is 700 hours. Here again, we've mic and music controls and voice control Siri, and we've got everything that we really need on a headset, and it's quite nice and really nice in this white color, and our presentation like so. And you can always follow Urbanista on the hashtag urbanistalife on Instagram, and let's have a look at them. And there we go. So we're presented with the headset straight away. As you can see, and we'll see what else we get. We get our earbuds, which will fill out the bag, and our wings and so on. So there's plenty there to fit all sizes. And we get our micro USB cable, and we get a nice carry pouch here, which is really, really nice, and it's good to see included in the package so you can store them away nicely. And it's just a simple drawstring bag with a nice feel to it, like a velvety kind of feel. Rubber, kind of rubber velvet. It's really nice anyway, and you can see their logo is nice there too. And also inside we get our little booklet and Bluetooth comfort, and it'll give us some more information here. Welcome to the Urbanista community, and it'll tell us then about powering up and so on, and the rest and the functions here. And it's pretty simple to use, pretty simple headsets to use and navigate. So that's really about it for now. So stay tuned. We will have a review in the coming week or two, along with some more Urbanista products, and we've quite a few Urbanista headphones reviewed now up on site, and if you'd like to check them out, you just check on website and type in Urbanista, and you'll find a full range of headphones and earphones that we've tried out, and also some Bluetooth speakers. So that's it for now. We'll talk to you in the next one, and thanks for watching.